Namaste, children. Look at this picture. This is such a beautiful view of the earth from the moon. The earth looks blue in color. Do you know why? This is because three-fourths of the earth is covered with water. Water and air are the two important things which are present on our earth, and that is why we are alive. So, let us learn more about the water in lesson number 8, our need for water. Children, you already know that water is present in various water bodies like rivers, lakes, and ponds. But have you ever thought that water is also present in our body? Sometimes you want a certain thing from your parents. You become stubborn for it. And if you don't get the thing which you want to have, then what happens? Yes, tears start flowing from your eyes. When you see tasty batata vada and pani puri, your mouth starts watering. Children, the days are becoming colder, and if we do not take proper precautions, our nose will start running and we may have a cold. You must have observed that if you get a cut on your hand or any part of your body, blood starts flowing. Blood which flows in our body contains water. These examples tell us that substances like tears, saliva, children, saliva means the liquid or watery substance that is produced in the mouth. Blood and water running from the nose, which are present in our body, flow and contain water. Water is also present in fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, and orange, and vegetables like cucumber, bottle gourd, and tomato. Children, have you ever made limbu sharbat? For making limbu sharbat, you have to squeeze lemon. You might have noticed that lemon has lemon juice, which contains water. Observe this picture. This is Sahil. He exercises regularly. We all know that exercise is good for our body. We can see that Sahil is sweating while doing exercise. In this slide, you can see a grandfather who is walking on the road in the scorching sun. He too is sweating. Sweating causes a lack of water in our body and we feel thirsty. Our body needs water. We should drink plenty of water. We need water for proper functioning of our body. It keeps our blood thin. It also helps to digest food. Unwanted substances are removed from the body through sweat and also through urine. In this flow chart, you can see the points which we have discussed in short. This is a scene of a village which is situated on a bank of a river. You can see Umabai and Vimlabai are washing clothes. Ramu is bathing an ox. Raju, Hari and Madhav are playing in water. Oh, look at poor Sunil. He is carrying water with the help of a yoke. Children, In Marathi, yoke is called as kavod. He is carrying water to a long distance. Rajesh and Sakhubai are carrying water to their houses for drinking. Some birds are flying over the river. Grass and other bushes can be seen growing near the banks. Goats are drinking water. Children, do you think that this water is safe for drinking? No. Last year, many people in this village were sick because they drank this unclean water. But now they have understood that this water is not fit for drinking purpose, and it is the responsibility of every person to keep the river clean. Like we human beings, animals like dogs, cows, tigers, and elephants, insects like ants and honeybees, and birds like sparrows, pigeons, and crows need water. Wild animals come to a water hole in the forest when they are thirsty. We need water for bathing, cleaning clothes and utensils, and also for cooking. Water is required in industries and also for agriculture. Like animals, plants also need water. Children, we water our potted plants. But what about the trees in the forest? From where do they get water for their growth? They get water from rainwater, which has seeped into the soil. Roots of the plants absorb this seeped water. Some plants, like bulrushes, grow only in water. Even if we try our best to grow them in soil, they cannot survive. Lotus, water chestnut, and hyacinth are some plants that grow in water. Let us revise. Living things need water. Water is present in the bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We feel thirsty when there is a lack of water in a body. Many villages have a common source of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops, and for industry too. The roots of plants go deep into the soil and absorb water.